I'm doing a project. 1 movie a day between now and Christmas Eve. That's 20 days. Each movie has to include a photograph. I mean, this is a photography channel, after all. Whatever else happens in the movie can be like arbitrary, random thoughts and goings on. Pretty much the same as all my other videos. The image that I take will be displayed at the end of the movie as the last frame of that particular episode. Oh yeah, why am I calling it the smudge? Well, the smudge came out of the 60s and 70s. It's what they used to call photographers back in the day. It was kind of like a slang thing. Smudge, why is that slang? Maybe it's something to do with something they did to the picture after they'd taken it. Maybe it was like a Polaroid type of a thing. But you'd go into like a marketplace or the end of, say, like Brighton Pier, and you'd have a guy set up and you'd sit on a stall, perhaps, or he might even have a monkey there. I'm telling the truth, right? And you'd have your photo done with a monkey. I mean, I think I had mine done in the 70s. I mean, it was absolutely terrible, really, when you think about it. There's me sitting there in an old Parker looking as miserable as anything with a monkey next to me, taken by an old smudger. Are you still working on the smudge? That's what you'd say to a photographer back in the day. So kind of an arbitrary title, really. But I hope you tune in daily. The videos are going to be quite short, probably around about 3 minutes. Yeah, come along for the ride. I once read that if you drink 3 litres of water a day, you can pretty much do anything else that you want. That's what I read. I read it. Well, I read it in a Jack Reacher novel. So take that how you will. I like the idea of it though, but so I think this is a litre, but I never really get past a litre and a half a day, so 1.5 of these. So I can't really vouch for it working. Thoughts? Guys, please subscribe to the channel. Please like this video, and yeah, I hope you stick around. 20 days, and hopefully be a little cool project. Right, I need to get today's smudge. What should I take a photo of? By the way, these photographs I'm taking, I don't want to be just ticking a box. I mean, it is a photo project after all, but it doesn't have to be a street photograph for this project or even a portrait. As long as I have the intention to create a little bit of magic, then I think that's good enough. Right, maybe I'll go out for a walk though with my Fuji. I wonder, could you put your feet up there? Will it work? Yeah, that'll be cool. That's it, son. Right, look out the window.
At Co-op Funeral Care, we know everyone is different. So if you
got it, son. Well done. Super one, my boy.